Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and today we finally have that delayed parcel from Temu. Now, I've done a bit of research, and apparently the reason why this got delayed is because Yodel are going through a phase of rebranding. So they used to be called Home Delivery Network, then they got called Yodel, and now they're going to be called Yodel Direct. Now, because InPost have bought Yodel, there's been like a delay with some parcels going like through the network, and that's why a lot of people have had their parcels stuck at the warehouse within Yodel or InPost, one of the two, because they're trying to update all like the transfer of the, what do you call it, like, when a company joins another company and they've got to like link everything up sort of thing. So yeah, that's what the delay is, but finally we can now unbox it. So I did get a late fee for a £4 late credit for this, which was nice. So let's get in here. I think it's this one, or it might be the one that we've got here, because we've actually got two packages. So this might be the one behind it, in which case it is, yeah. So we've got two in here. Now, let me show you this very gorgeous one here, because this is one that I've had in my wish list, for, in my basket for some time. And this is a 30x30 special, and it is of this gorgeous, oh look at that, would you look at that? That's fantastic, wow. So this is a shoe, it's a lady's shoe, and the butterfly is sort of landing within the shoe. I don't think I've ever diamond painted a shoe before, so that's going to be very interesting. This has got some lovely marquees. You can see there's like various marquees going around the shoe here. And let's try and get that up a bit more. It's a 30x30, it is a special. Stick is not great. And then obviously you've got these little dots going around, which look really, really lovely. So I had to get that. This has got 11 on the Kinetic here. And again, you've got your bow, wax and pen. And yeah, very, very lovely with that. So we'll put that to one side for the minute. And these are our drills. So, my God, they're getting huger and huger. Wow, I don't think I've ever had one that big before. God blimey. We've got a pink, a yellow marquee. We've got a teardrop of a pink. We've got a sort of silvery colour, a blue marquee. That's absolutely gorgeous. A pink, a blue, a green, a silver, an amber, and a black. So that's really, really lovely. Okay, so the next one that we got, I found this, and it's just so adorable. Swans are very magnificent birds, and they will get very defensive or quite aggressive if you go near their young. They're very protective of their young. And yeah, it's we had one when I went to meet my sister from work. Outside where you sit, there's like a little park area sort of thing near like a river, and there was this seagull that was going near their young, and yeah, it seemed to put it in its place. Now something's happened with this. What on earth has happened to that? Okay, so let's get this out of here, get stuck to everything here, and yeah, I think this is going to be a lovely one. Oh wow, yeah, that's lovely. Oh, look at that. Wow, I think this is going to be quite gorgeous indeed. Look, not very busy going on. It's quite a lovely one. It's like these two, this could be male and female, and then they've, you run into the little flowers here, but then down here you've got water lilies, and we've got one of them because my mum has a pond and she's always had this water lily thing, and we've got the exact same flower that goes on there. But oh my God, this is gorgeous. You've got some marquees going up there. Oh wow. Yeah, stick is sort of okay. The partials do struggle with stick, and then obviously you've got the marquees going around there. This is going to be 8 colours, and thought I didn't have no drills then. We've got our boat pen, tray and wax, same old, and we'll put that to one side, and we'll get this one here. So let's get into it. So these are our drills, as you can see. Oh, that's a fancy one. Look at that. Wow. Very neon pink, isn't it? And we got like the Emerald City from the Wizard of Oz. Every time I see that darky green colour, I think of that scene from the Emerald City. in the Wizard of Oz film. We've got silver, this gorgeous pink. I love that. I've got Trey that colour. We've got these pearly whites. We've got a mint green, a dark green, a hot pink there, and a couple of silvers. So that's really, really good. Right, now, finally, we can get into this very delayed package. So very happy to see what we've got in here. Okay, so let's get into here and see what we got. Okay, lovely jubbly. So, oh my god, I cannot tell you how long I've been waiting for this. So, first things first, I saw this. Now, as you know, I want my bathroom to be ocean related. And I came across this sticker, which is, I mean, they could have put that on the back, seriously. Like, why put it on the front where you can't see the thing? Normally they're put on the back of the things like that, as you can see. So, I don't understand why they've done that, but oh, come on, Mike. It's the trouble when you bite your nails, you know. Oh. Okay, so in here I got this, and it's a Ghost Glitter. Ghost Glitter's got to love this because me and her love sharks. Now I got this. Now, does anyone know what you think you do with that? Now, I bought it, and apparently this is what you do with it. So let's just get my orders up. And it is yeah, here we go. Apparently it's been discontinued, but there's always other people that sell it on there. So as you can see, it keeps coming up saying discontinued. But basically what you do is you stick it on your toilet. So where the toilet lid's like there, you put it on the back as if like a shark's coming out. I thought that was so cool. So I had to have that. That is so, oh, I love it. I really, really love it. It's like the ocean vibe. So, oh, stick is a little bit not good, but isn't that just lovely? It's just like, oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. And finally, it's been an agonising wait because of Yodel. I definitely think since Yodel took over, everything has just gone slow. Because when InPost were doing it, I think it was Raw Mail, it came really, really quick, and now everything just seems really slow now. I mean, Yodel have always been a very slow courier anyway, where most couriers deliver within 3 days. They, for some reason, take about 4 days to deliver, so it's kind of annoying, but there you go. And in here, look, it's another budgie. Oh, I'm so happy, yes, man. So let's get, oh, cool, blimey, look at the size of that font. Wow. Okay, and then your standard boat pen and wax again, but look at this. I had to have this. He's so cute. And it reminded me of Kiwi, that's my mum's budgie, and unfortunately we got some sad news. He's moved now. He's in a different part of the house because we've had to put he's no longer in the kitchen. We've moved him into a different part of the house because we're actually my brother breeds birds, and he's just recently got like his own sort of quails, which is a little bird that tends to run around the floor, and they've took the space of Kiwi. So Kiwi's been pushed out of the kitchen, which is not fair, but we've got to make room, you know. But we can't put him in the same room as Harry because they'll like be talking constant, and yeah, it's a nightmare trying to watch TV when you've got whistling going on all the time. But anyway, when we got this in to remind me of Kiwi, really. And yeah, this is a lovely little budgie, and you've got these gorgeous flowers down here, absolutely stunning. And then it's like he's sitting on this tree or something with the leaves there as well. Oh my god, I felt that coming. And the stick, oh yeah, that stick's fabulous. Okay, so 30 times 30, 17 colours, and again, I've got a feeling this is going to be pastel vibe, you know, with the flowers, but this is a stunning image. Wow, fantastic. So let's put that to one side. Again, you've got your tray, pen and wax, and boat, whatever you want to call it. Some people call it a tray, some people call it a boat. So yeah, Okay, and these are our colours. So, okay, so summer pastels. So you've got like the orange, you've got the green, the minty blue, the pink, the brown, a vanilla sort of colour, greeny colour, a brown, another brown. Oh, yeah, wow, honeycomb sort of colour maybe. There's banana colour, an orange, a couple of, what's these? I don't know, vanilla sort of colour, would you say? A brown, very dark looking pink. That's a nice colour. What's that? Number 3 is coming up as a 502. Don't think I've ever had that before. Gorilla Poop, and also number 1369. So I'm just so happy that order's now come, because I have been waiting very eagerly to put this sticker on that toilet basin thing. So yeah, I think that's going to look so effective. As I say, that's what you do. You put it on the basin part. So obviously up here is where obviously the toilet mechanism is, and then that's your seat. So it just looks like it's coming out of the actual tank. I love it. I think that's fantastic. But anyway, if you want to get any of these items, you know what to do. Get them in your basket and order them today through Temu. Links are in the descriptions of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap that ring-a-ding-dong bell, and you'll be notified when the next video is up on the channel. Coming up tomorrow, it's back to the Statue of Liberty. Until next time, thank you for watching.